ஊர் சூற்றுளம் விடாதுனைக் கண்டடங்கிட உன்னழகைக் காட்டு அருணாச்சலா. This video we will talk about the planes of existence of the life force. As I am talking to you, this body, this hand, this leg, this eyes, this face, chin, nose, ears, head, everything are physically bound together by cells. That is the physical existence. But beyond the physical existence, we have a life of mental existence. The state in which the physical body is tied to the earth, it is the most physical being. For example, from that state, let us say there is a small prickling sensation in your hand. Okay. So when the prickling sensation is there, you just focus your consciousness on this prickling. Slowly, at the same time, feel your entire body, and if you close your eyes, you will feel yourself as a set of vibrations. That is the subtle Bhuloka and then Bhuvarloka. That is nothing but the subtle sense. For example, another example, if you have headache, if you feel yourself as that headache, just close your eyes and feel that pain and become that pain, then you are in that subtle consciousness. It is very easy to feel yourself as a set of vibrations. In fact, as you sit, your whole being is projected in your brain as a set of vibrations. You feel yourself as a set of vibrations. As I talk to you, you see me, right? And then you process that information in your brain. That time, if you are sitting in your chair, you feel the thighs. You are nothing but the combination of all these feelings you have at any point of time. That is the subtle stage. That is what we are. From that state, our being has to surrender to our Guru, to the inner being, to the inner self. To raise our level of thinking, our level of consciousness, or in other words, to feel yourself as the entire universe. For example, currently we are feeling as a separate being in the physical plane. In the subtle plane also we continue to do that as a part of vibration. Then you surrender all these vibrations to the Guru, to Arunachala, Ramana. Then you are merging your vibrations with the vibrations of the cosmic mind, that is God, Hiranyagarbha. What I am talking may be vague, out of context, somewhere else, very scattered, but I cannot help it. This is what comes at this moment and I express it. So one way of looking at things is take breath, sit around, observe, feel yourself as vibrations, convert your consciousness as a set of vibrations, and then in that state surrender your being. Don't worry about what is happening in this world, the ups and downs of life, the worries. They are not of any consequence when you think of a higher life. When you stop bothering about what will happen next, things will settle down. You will get the peace. So whenever you worry about future planning, financial planning, goal organizing, lot of things, I'm not saying you should not do all this, but if it turns out to be a worry, the time just feel your body, feel your vibrations. That is all what you have. This moment, what vibrations you have, that is what you carry. There is nothing more than that. So that life force, that breathe, along with that you feel the body has set of vibrations. You feel your hand, your thighs, your leg, all this, your spine, you feel everything. That is what you have. So there is no need to be worried about anything. This vibrations, along with this, let us feel slowly, imbibe the feeling that you are not this body, and surrender that collective vibrations to our Guru Ramana, so that you are at peace. So there is nothing to be worried about. You are as you are. ஊர் சூற்றுளம்பிடாதுனை கண்டடங்கிட உன் அழகை காட்டு அருணாச்சலா.